Yo, I'm going to show you our newest plugin, Subcraft. Subcraft is a sub-bass and 808 engine with infinite sound generation and built-in kick and effects modules. It is the only sub-bass instrument on the market that goes the extra mile and handles all of the sub-bass mixing for you. In other words, every subtone, overtone, kick drum, and effect has been perfectly phase-aligned and processed for maximum bass power on every note of the playable range, which means no more inconsistency when you play different notes in your bass lines.